If you're planning to buy Hostinger today, don't complete your purchase just yet, because there's a simple way to get an even bigger discount on your hosting plan. Right now, Hostinger is offering up to 85% off on selected hosting plans, and when you use the special link in the description, you can also unlock an extra 20% discount automatically applied at checkout when eligible. The best part is that you don't need to manually enter any coupon code. Simply click the first link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen, choose the hosting plan you want, and continue to check out. When you first open the Hostinger website, you'll already see promotional prices. Don't worry if the extra 20% discount doesn't appear immediately. The additional discount is applied during checkout when eligible, so continue to the payment page and check your final discounted price before completing your order. If the website isn't showing prices in your local currency, click the flag icon at the top of the page and select your country. The pricing will update automatically. Now let's quickly find the right plan for your website. If you're starting a blog, creating a personal website, building a portfolio, or launching a small business website, I'd recommend checking out the premium plan. For most beginners, it provides an excellent balance between price and features. Depending on the current offer, you can get a free domain on eligible plans, SSL, professional email, one-click WordPress installation, Hostinger website builder, and AI-powered website tools. That gives you most of what you need to launch a professional website without purchasing several different services. If you're creating an online store, managing multiple websites, or expecting your website to grow, then take a look at the business plan. It provides additional resources and can include features such as daily backups and a free CDN. Daily backups are especially useful because if you accidentally delete something or make a change that causes a problem, having a recent backup makes restoring your website much easier. The CDN can also improve performance for visitors in different locations by delivering your website's content from servers closer to them. And if you're building a larger project or expect higher traffic, consider the Cloud Startup Plan. It's designed for websites that need additional resources and higher performance and can include benefits such as priority support and a dedicated IP. Another reason Hostinger is popular with beginners is its custom H-panel. Instead of dealing with a complicated hosting dashboard, you can manage your website, domain, email accounts, WordPress installation, backups, and important settings from one simple place. Hostinger also includes AI-powered tools that can make building your website much faster. The AI website builder can help generate a starting website based on information about your business or project. You can then customize the pages, text, images, and design however you want. Now let's talk about getting the best price. If you're planning to keep your website online long-term, compare the different billing periods available at checkout. Longer options, including a 48-month plan when available, can provide a lower effective monthly price. Just make sure you check both the total amount you're paying today and the renewal price before completing your order. And if you're still unsure, Hostinger offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, subject to its refund policy. That gives you time to try the service and decide whether it's right for your website. But remember, promotional prices, discounts, and bonuses can change. So if you're ready to get started, click the first link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen. Claim up to 85% off. Unlock your extra 20% discount automatically when eligible. Check for any free extra months and start building your website today while the current Hostinger deal is available.